Weeknd gears up to unalive The Weeknd. Doja Cat says her first two albums were cash grabs. And who is this mystery celeb driving Swifties bankrupt? Beyonce is exactly 1 week into her Renaissance tour. Queen Bee kicked things off in Stockholm on May 10th, and the tour is predicted to make $500 million more than Taylor Swift's Eras tour. Not pitting anyone against another, but Beyonce's tour is expected to gross up to $2.4 billion in ticket sales alone, and we wonder if it might have something to do with those crazy robot arms. Thanks to fan trends, Billie Eilish has dropped her version of Drake's Hotline Bling to Spotify. The song had found its place in nostalgic videos on TikTok, most likely encouraging Billie to share an official edit, considering her cover actually dates back to her first tour 5 years ago. So, if you like 1 minute of very soft ukulele, this one's for you. Tom Holland has revealed he's been sober for over a year. While chatting about his new Apple TV Plus series, The Crowded Room, Tom said he has decided to focus on his mental wellness and is 1 year and 4 months sober. The filming schedule was pretty intense, with the cast shooting for 130 days in a row, which Tom says began to weigh on him, seeing his character in himself and his personal life. He said he hopes the series will allow others to have more respect and sympathy for people who are going through mental health issues after seeking healthcare himself. Emily Ratajkowski says she's waiting for the right girl to date. Speaking to Homegirls, Emily said she's more attracted to vibes than physicality, adding that the younger version of herself would have probably settled for some mid-dude just to have a boyfriend. She's glad she's not in that era anymore though. It's been hot tea for a couple of weeks now, but after attending all 3 nights of Nashville shows, it seems Matty Healy and Taylor Swift are confirmed to be dating. A source spoke to US Weekly about the new relationship, and Swift is reportedly not sure about committing to Healy so soon after her split with Joe Alwyn. But they are said to be rekindling their 2014 flame and having a good time reconnecting. They've been pictured getting dinner together with Jack Antonoff, walking into Casa Cipriani and holding hands. Honestly, this one feels like a pop simulation. While we're chatting TEA, who is this mystery celeb author who tricked Swifties into making them a bestseller? The anonymous celeb memoir drops July 7th, and Swiftie detectives took some hints that suggested it was Taylor, but it has since been confirmed authoritatively that it's not her. The Swiftie clues meant it already climbed to bestseller on numerous platforms and caused some serious Swiftie. Due to the amount of speculation around the memoir, Fleischer Books brought forward the announcement to reveal the book is actually from BTS. The title is Beyond the Story, 10-year record of BTS, and will be available from July 7th. The Weeknd is gearing up to unalive The Weeknd. Speaking to W Mag, he said his next album will be his last as The Weeknd, still making music, potentially under his real name Abel, but he says he's ready to shed that skin and be reborn. He's described his current project as his last hurrah as The Weeknd, having said everything he can. Maybe he'll become Monday to Friday. Doja Cat has revealed her first 2 albums were cash grabs. She announced her upcoming album first of all before she said Planet Her and Hot Pink were cash grabs and y'all fell for it. Now I can go disappear somewhere and touch grass with my loved ones on an island while you'll weep for mediocre pop. The new album is set to drop this year, and honestly, I don't know what to expect. I presume I'll weep. That's it for today. See you next time for a splash more curiosity.